Hi everyone, I'm Chiyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add flash on CapCut app. Adding a flash can enhance your videos by creating dynamic transitions and emphasizing key moments, making your content more exciting. So, let's get started on how to add flash on CapCut app. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the New Project option. Now, select two or more photos or videos from your camera roll. Then tap on the Add button from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the Transition button located between the two selected photos or videos. In the Transition menu, use the search bar to look for the flash effect. Once you find it, tap on it. You can set the flash duration by dragging the slider to your desired length. And this is how you can add flash on CapCut app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.